Hey everyone, a really quick video. I'm going to give you some information to save you 50% on prices sometimes, and my favorite windscreen wiper blades. Now a little bit of bonus info, a little bit of corrosion bubbling up behind there. That's what happens beach cars. But anyway, there's wiper rubbers. That's the rubber insert. Wiper inserts or wiper rubbers, that's that bit there. There's the wiper blade, that's that bit there. This is the wiper arm, okay? And if it's not that, well, that's what we're calling it. That's what I call it. These are my favorites, and I'm going to tell you the part numbers. There it is right there. And I'm going to tell you the prices and where to get them in case you want to be like me. Are you sick of changing wiper blades? Have you been into Super Cheap Auto? You get this, that, and the other. There's different brands. Don't get mixed up with, what's the other one called? Trident. Just because it's got a tri in it doesn't mean it's any good. Trico is high quality OEM replacement, and I've been using them for years. They're bloody awesome. So this is what I like on the Pradas. I think I got it on the Hilux as well. One of the first things I do when I pick up a vehicle that I'm making like new again is head down to the local Repco store, because that's who stocks these things. So you need a TB 560 for the driver's side and a TB 500 for the passenger side. They clip on really easy. I'm going to give you a word of warning though. See these spring-loaded arms? You'll have them lifted up when you're changing them, popping the old ones off. If you let that bump that and it goes bang on the windscreen without that metal hit the windscreen, and it might just smash it, like what happened to me when I was a second-year apprentice. And guess what I learned from that? How to change windscreens. Thank you very much. Second-year apprentice, here's the tools, you malaka. Get the windscreen out, here's a new windscreen, figure it out. And guess what? That's what I did. That's where you learn stuff, when they throw you in the hole like that. Hey, I broke it, so, you know. So there's your word of warning. These are the old ones somebody put on. These ones might be all right. If someone wants them and you know me and you're near me, you can have them for free if you like. There's nothing particularly wrong with them, I guess. You can probably get new rubbers for them. But these things cost me 15 bucks each, right? It's amazing, isn't it? I mean, look at the quality of these things. They'll work really well. And when you come to replacing the rubbers, the part number for these, you don't do the whole blade every time because they get old and they get wear in them. But that's why you put new ones and they're all nice and tight again. But these are quality. They're going to probably last you forever. So the TB500 and the TB560 is what you need to do your initial replacement. These works on other makes and models of vehicles as well, your Commodores, your Falcons, whatever. I can't guarantee you that's the part number you want. That is the length, I believe, 500, 560 millimeters. See, 560 millimeters. So a little bit of insight to the information. When you come to replacing the wiper rubbers on this one, the part number you want to go to the trade desk at the back of Repco and you want to ask for the TTR 610-20. So if you get TTR 610s, they'll sell them to you in a retail packet like this in plastic, and it'll cost you a packet. The TTR 610-20 is a box of 20, and you don't need to buy a whole box. You just ask them to sell you 2 rubbers, and they're going to make a heap of money out of you. Trico is and Repco is and whatever, but it's still going to be cheaper than this, but not by much. It's probably going to cost you, these days, I remember they'll cost me $2 each. I was buying a whole box for 20 bucks, right? They're probably going to cost you about $5 each if you're not getting ripped off too much. So I'm just giving you the info here. I can't tell you which Repco store does this, and I can't give you too much details, and I've got to wait till later in the video. There you can see part number, Trico Ultra Low, 500, 560 retail, 31 and 32. You can see I've got 2 of each, and you can see bottom line price. So that's what it retail is. And when you know people or you've got a trade account, just letting you know what's possible in some of these stores. Subscribe, turn the bell on if you don't want to get ripped off anymore, because I'm here to save you money and give you the info you need to know so that you can get these onto your bloody windscreen so you can see where you're going, because everybody loves to be able to see where they're going, not where they've been. Catch you in the next video. See ya. Subscribe, turn the bell on, hit the like button. Bye.